Hello everyone, I'm back again with another video, and this time I have the new package with me from, as you can see, Amazon, because most of the products I buy from Amazon. And this is something, so basically this product has come a long time in the market, but I'm doing the review and the unboxing right now because I couldn't get this. So I thought of passing it on and going for a later version of this, but then I felt that why not go for it. Okay, so this is the Realme earbuds. Okay, not the truly wireless one, but the wired Bluetooth versions. Okay, because I felt the truly wireless one were lacking on the battery, so I felt that I'll pass it on and I'll buy this. And so this will be a quick unboxing of this. Okay, so this will be a quick unboxing. I'll quickly do this unboxing for y'all, so let's start on. So I have the small scissor. Okay, so I have the scissor with me, so I'll just cut this off. Okay, and let's go. All right. Okay, so this is the packaging. Okay, this is the packaging, and here are some of the features. It says magnetic control, 11.2 mm bass boost drivers, then 12 hours of battery life. It's a flexible neckband and Bluetooth 5.0, and this is IPX4. So this is a kind of sweat resistant. So you can probably wear it at the gym, but you can't wear it in the rain, or you can't submerge this in the water. So these are all the specifications. Okay, so the box is as the Realme style, white and yellow. Okay, so put this aside, and then you just pull it off like this. Wow. Okay, so the color which I ordered is this color. That's kind of a green, they say, but it's not really green. It's like a bottle green with a mix of turquoise. So it's a nice color, a unique color though. And this is the original product. So nothing done in the box, I'll just keep it aside. This is the product, documents, and most probably your extra earbuds and the charging cable. Okay, so you have the so it says the manual. So this is the manual, and here it tells you about how to switch on and off, and the instructions basically, and what's inside the box, and these are the instructions we need to follow. Okay. So the best part of these earphones are you don't need to press any button to power on and off the product. The magnets which allows them to switch on and off. So you basically, what you do is you disconnect the magnet, it switches on. You connect the magnet, it's off again. So this is a very good idea and technology which would save a lot of battery. And this is the charging cable. So as you can see, again, yellow accent over here as well, which looks nice, and you have the Realme R logo on this. Let's quickly open this one. Okay, so I would be opening this. So they are nicely fitted inside. It's the similar way, not exactly the same way, but then the similar way where OnePlus wireless bullets, they are set up, and the presentation is also as similar as that, and the quality looks good enough, sturdy. Okay, so this is kind of a rubbery finish, okay, which has a kind of a band inside, metallic or probably a plastic band in it, and it gives a nice sturdy feel. Okay, so you can twist it, okay, like this. All right, and these are the ends. Okay, so this is where the controllers are given, and here, okay, so here is the small hole which is the microphone, and then this side at the bottom you have the charging port. So only bummer with this is it is micro USB, it's not USB type C, but it's still okay, because at this price range the product what they have given is good. So I feel this is kind of aluminium, this product which is at the end, it's kind of an aluminium, but not sure about it, it could be plastic as well. But these are the earplugs, okay, the earphones exactly, and these are definitely made of metal. Here you have the silicone ear tips, and this is your wings, okay, so to keep it secure and safe. They are nice and soft, so it will not harm in your ears, like it won't be too much hard enough. They can manage it, you can manage it basically, and it can fit in your ears without troubling your ears. Okay, so the wire is good and lengthy, and the wire material is also good. I'm feeling it as a good material they have used for the product, also a premium material with a lesser or a cheaper price. So that's it about the review of your Realme earbuds. Okay, and yes, thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like this video.